What's up, income heroes, and welcome back to another awesome video about blogging. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of work on Penbeast, but also we're going to be looking at the analytics for Penbeast and how it's performing. Now do just bear in mind that I am showing you a public site domain. This is a test site. I do actually care about the site, but I have my own sites behind the scenes that I actually work on that I won't be showing on YouTube, just because naturally competitors do take your keywords. They do look at your website and they do copy you word for word in some instances. So let's dive into the video. So during the last 30 days, here are the visitors. It's not a huge amount by any stretch of the imagination, but I'm actually really happy with this. Why am I happy with this? Because I've been putting little to no work into it. The only time I work on this website is when I'm recording one of these videos. That's it. And I'm doing like one video a week, sometimes 2 videos a week. And I'm just like creating articles, doing keyword research using various tools, and then basically just getting a bunch of articles in the process going. And this is quite incredible. This is basically 100% AI with me scattering in some affiliate links here and there. And that's pretty much it. That's absolutely insane. So the main writing that I've been doing on this website has come from Journalist AI and Agility Writer. Those two have been the primary sources of content, and I'm really shocked at just how well this is performing. Now, what do I put the success down to? I put the success pure and simply down to keyword research. That has been the #1 thing that's been changing in the last month. Before, I was just kind of creating content blindly, kind of going loosely of some keywords, not really assessing the difficulty of those keywords. But now, since I've started using KW Hero, link in the description, in the comments, the difference has been absolutely crazy. It's still AI content, but it's targeted AI content at the specific keywords. And what's happening, interestingly, from that is the content I'm producing is actually sending loads of traffic towards my other blog posts as well, which are really starting to get quite a lot of traffic on older posts. So it's just showing me that by just building some authority in your space, you're actually improving your website on a whole. So I'm very impressed at that. The search engine traffic seems to be mostly coming from Google, I guess. Actually, no, a lot's coming from Bing and DuckDuckGo. Wow, look at that. The session duration on DuckDuckGo is way longer than it is on Google. It's 3 times longer on DuckDuckGo. Isn't that interesting? That's very curious. And we're getting a lot more from these than we do from anything else. We obviously do get some direct from YouTube, but there's not a lot from YouTube directly. So direct from Facebook and YouTube, we're only getting like 2 Facebook visitors. I don't even know how that's happening, because I'm pretty sure I haven't shared anything on Facebook. I don't have a Facebook page for this, so that must be just a direct share. And then 4 YouTube views directly there as well. So it's showing it's not just coming from YouTube from these videos, it's actually people finding this blog. It's saying the fastest growing referrers is Bing. Bing is absolutely killing it for this website. That's amazing. 5,300% growth. Wowzers. For anyone that's wondering, this is independent analytics. If you haven't watched my video where I basically cover some really good plugins for your blogs, then go ahead and watch that. It's a really good video. It will basically cover this plugin and a few others. It's completely free, so I love sharing free things with you guys. All right, so I want to talk then now about the process of how we get well-performing articles, because you might have a blog right now and you might want to get traffic, but you might not know how. Let's dive into that. This is obviously, I've just started really working on this again. It was kind of dead until a little while ago where I started working on it again. So it's quite nice to see it all in action. And just here, you can see if I change the search to 12 months, you can see how it was kind of like just dead. And then I started to really work on it. And then suddenly, obviously, we actually started to have some decent views and some decent visitors. And that's obviously what's been created as a result. So let's actually do some work on the blog now, as this will hopefully help you and guide you in your own blogs and certain things like that. So first is first, I'm going to go to my favorite keyword tool, which is KW Hero. I have a video on how to use it, and in that video, it's got the best price for KW Hero. You do want to go to that, as you will save a lot of money. In fact, I'll just put a link in the description and the comments for you. It will save you a lot of money clicking that link. Trust me, don't just buy it from KW Hero. go to my link. You'll save a lot of money. Okay, so in this instance, I'll just take a keyword that I want to look at. In this instance, I'm going to try for ballpoint pen. Actually, no, let's go marker pen. Yeah, let's go marker pen, because I do a lot of like talking about calligraphy and how to do calligraphy without a fountain pen. And a lot of the time, like marker pens come up as something that people want. So this could be a good idea to match the search intent. Okay, so let's just try marker pen and see what pops up. So right away, I absolutely love just the way this looks. It's so cool. So now I will just have a little look at the difficulty, and then you can see how it's got a few specific marker pens that it talks about, things like that. It's not always going to be relevant to us to just cover every single one. So let's just look through the various different ones and see what one we want to go for. You don't always go for the volume, which has the highest volume, because the problem is with volume is this might say 50, but there might be like 10 different ways to say talk marker pen. And if there's 10 different ways to say talk marker pen, does that mean they're only getting 50 volume? No, it means that some could be getting 50, some could be getting 500, some could be getting 5,000. This is just showing 50 for that specific keyword. Variations of this keyword will also get volume, so do just bear that in mind. Pilot marker pen, actually, there's a potential with this one. That could be good. Okay, I've looked through. I don't like the keyword results I'm getting right now because it's too much of an open thing, just marker pen. So what I'm going to do is narrow the search down a bit. Okay, so I put marker calligraphy just to see if something pops up. So it's actually coming up with an interesting keyword. How to use calligraphy marker. Now, it's got quite a high difficulty domain, but I don't know what the competition is actually talking about. There might not be blogs. They could just be products. The beauty of this niche is I get like put up against a lot of products, like actual e-commerce websites, and they're pretty easy to outrank, to be honest, in terms of like blog posts. And I do pretty well with those from what I've experienced. So I'm not too put off by that. I'm actually just going to look at the hardest one here, the 35 one. And we're just going to check the SERPs on that and see what we think. So let's fetch the SERPs and see if it's actually difficult or not. So right here, this looks like a e-commerce. Let's have a quick look. It is an e-commerce website. It has a little bit of description, just selling stuff. That's fine. Again, just selling stuff. Yeah, again, just selling stuff. This is fine because if there's not a lot of blogs, you can add some clarity and information on the matter. And doing that will make you pop up at a higher point much easier. This one will probably, because it's got a bit more information than typically, this one probably will do well. Okay, so I actually quite like this keyword here, calligraphy marker. So I'm going to take that word there. And by the way, marker calligraphy, look at that. Just as I was talking about various different keywords and how they like can be said slightly different, but have like more volume. Look at that, calligraphy marker and marker calligraphy. Calligraphy marker has 540, but marker calligraphy has 100. There you go, guys. It just shows. All right, so now we're going to open up a AI. Let's copy that. Then we'll go to just let's try journalist AI instead this time. Usually go straight to agility writer, but I like agility. I usually go to agility writer, but I really like journalist AI as well. So I'm going to try a little bit of theirs as well. So here we go. Let's write an article. SEO article, keyword, calligraphy marker. Now it is actually giving an option to try a few different keywords. How to use calligraphy marker. And I can actually create 2 articles from this. So let's just do it. So let's go through the advanced options just very quickly. Point of view is fine. How to bake bread. Okay, include keywords, put 1 per line. Okay, so let's go calligraphy marker, and let's actually not make a second article about that. Let's just make 1 article, and we'll say include this keyword. And we're going to suggest some keywords. There you go. Yeah, it's got some suggested. Fantastic. Okay, I'm happy with that. Knowledge is fine. Italics, we like italics on this website. It just works really well. Structure, so we actually need the website URL for that. Key takeaways, yeah, I'm fine with key takeaways. Internal linking, there we go. Excellent, it's got the internal links. External links, we are going to enable that as just because it could send some pretty good external links out. Actually, no, I'm not going to on that one. I want to actually make a little bit of money with affiliate links, so I'm not going to do that actually on this one. Include links. Oh, we could actually put like our, we could actually put some affiliate links in there, but we're not going to. Images, I do want some images. We're going to go for 4 images and see what it creates. Videos, let's show advanced options for these actually. Videos, I don't want any videos in it. There's no point at the moment, the way that they're doing it. So let's generate the article. I don't need to generate an outline because it's just going to be a general article. I'll let this create. Okay, so it's produced the article. It's got key takeaways. It's got nice even italics, recommended brands, so I can get some affiliate links in. Cool pictures. Very cool. Okay, I like this. I like this. I like this. I like this. Say less. Let's go and download that. So just so you're aware, you can now edit with AI on this tool as well, which is pretty cool. So we can press yes, let's edit with AI. And this is kind of where I can suggest like actual products myself. So let's just go to American Amazon and we can find some calligraphy marker pens. And these are probably going to be the main ones we'll suggest. Craft and Beyond. So let's use their keyword in that. Craft and Beyond. No. Instead of actually changing that, let's just add in. There you go. Craft and Beyond. Marker. There we go. Approve that. Cool. So it's just helps me basically add in a cheeky affiliate links there. Let's just see if we can actually get Sakura marker pens. I don't even see Sakura marker pens. Oh yeah, solid paint markers. Oh, very cool. Okay, I like that. Let's see Copic. Yeah, got those as well. So we've got like a few different cool brands that we can actually put links in. Very, very useful. We could even put the links in straight here if we wanted to, but I'll do it directly on the blog instead. Okay, generally, I really like this article. I will just say key takeaways I always find a little too long in nearly all AIs. So I'm going to make this shorter as I just prefer less there than this. There you go. I quite like that. That's simple. I would like this to be a little bit longer and I want to include some links in there. Let's add some internal links. Brilliant. So this is just sending more links through to various other blogs. I'm happy with that. So they've added that in. Let's add in 1 external link just because it can actually be a good idea to do that in the first paragraph. Can help your link usage. There you go. Brilliant. Okay, so that's actually good. I'm very, very happy with that. Now let's go back to our all articles and have a little look. Okay, this is the revision and we can download this now. Download the HTML version and we can put that straight on our website now. Now that's just a slightly longer version of what I usually do. Usually I send it straight over to the website. It's a lot less work, but because I'm using the, so let's just grab that thumbnail and put that in here as well. Okay, thumbnail is in. Everything is pretty much done for us already in this article, apart from affiliate links, which we can do. I am actually looking for a tool that I can buy to do all my affiliate links because I'm kind of sick of it. It's something I think that it's something I think that AI should be able to do at this point, is just do all your affiliate links for you. And I'm surprised that I haven't got a tool for it yet. The way I do my affiliate links takes me quite a long time. It takes me about 20 to 30 minutes per article just because I'm slow. I want to make sure I get things right. And if I could have an AI that could just do it all for me, it would be so much easier. So that's something I really want to do. Basically, what I want the tool to do is have like a list of affiliate like links that you have for particular products or particular keywords. And then it just scrape your whole website and find anywhere you are under optimizing your posts and put affiliate links in for you. That's what I would love. Obviously, if there's a way to make it not fully automated, but semi-automated, so it could say, oh, here's an article, this section, do you want to add an affiliate link in? Yes. And then you actually see what the affiliate looks like. And if you don't like it, you can scrap it. If you do like it, you don't. That's something I would really, really like. I'd pay monthly for a tool like that happily. Because at the moment, having to do my affiliate links, let's just say I want to do brush markers, right? I could go here and I could type /affiliate and look for my brush pens, which is right here. And then it will come up with some brush pens, which is great doing it like that. But sometimes it can take a little bit longer. I have taken the time to sell this up. So it kind of is awesome in that regard. But yes, very, very awesome little way of doing this. I want to be able to just highlight this and say, oh, brush marker pens link, and then instantly have the link without having to go back to my Amazon to find the link and everything like that. But when I have a tool like that, I'll let you know. I'm also looking for another tool to do with social media. I want a tool that basically goes here and says, hey, we're going to suggest that you link into Pinterest, Facebook, and X, and it automatically does it and sends it all. All the plugins I've tried to use are terrible for this. They don't do it properly, or when they do it, they do like half the job, and it's really frustrating. So I just don't personally bother with it at all, it is what it is. Okay, so let's save draft and let's publish. All right, and just like that, we've got ourselves an awesome blog post, everything we need from there. I'm really happy with that. Hopefully that will start getting some of that search traffic in the next few days. Thank you so much for watching this video. I really hope you enjoyed it. If you haven't been checking out already, I am actually doing quite a lot on my TikTok at the moment. I've been doing these walks every day, 5.2 miles every day, which is 8 kilometers for those who use kilometers. I go for a walk about 5 a.m. every single day, and I record it on TikTok, and I just talk about stuff, my journey with that. It's exciting. It's fun. If you enjoy it, look for my name on TikTok, and you will absolutely have a good time with it. Thanks for watching. This is Theo Ramwell. I'll see you next time.